Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? It is I, Click to Enlarge, at the night stream. People go, well, it's the night stream, but you post during the day. Yes, this is true. But as you can see where I am, it's always night up here, baby, where we talk about gaming news, pop culture, and entertainment, or things that I just think are entertaining. And it looks like recipes are a thing here in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. How do we know? We know from, of course, one of my favorite websites, Nintendo Life. Looks like cooking recipes are a thing in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, coming from the official Twitter of Zelda in Japan. I don't know how you feel about the cooking recipes for character buffs and etc. I honestly greatly dislike them in Breath of the Wild. But what does this mean? You will be getting cooking notes this time in Tears of the Kingdom, so you could remember your recipes. Well, let's just take a look at the quick article here. They say, we all remember the pain of putting together a really top-notch dish in Breath of the Wild, consuming it, and seeing the full power of its wonderful effects, only to realize we have immediately forgotten the recipe and will never be able to make such tasty treat by mistake again. Fortunately, it is all about to change in Tears of the Kingdom. Yes, it looks like recipes actually exist this time around. This was revealed on the official Zelda Twitter account, translated via the Google Translate. Stated you'll be able to look back on the dishes you made in cooking notes, where you'll be able to find each recipe's ingredients and effect properties. There's no guarantee this function will be called Cooking Notes in English version of the game. It should be noted, but you can check out what some of the recipe cards will look like in the tweet below. Okay, so let's look at, this is how I look at it, okay? You're gonna end up just going online and figuring out what recipes have the best and most powerful attributes, and you're going to be using... This is a prediction. This is my prediction. Okay, don't go crazy on me here. You're only going to be using maybe 3-4 recipes at the most in this game. This is why I loathed this crafting system of power buffs in Breath of the Wild. I used maybe 2 or 3 major buffs, if that. And I found it to be pulling me away from the main game just to craft a bunch of steamed mushrooms or a stir fry. I remember cooking the stir fry quite often. This really is feeling like a Breath of the Wild 2.0. Another reason why I'm disinterested in this game. Again, I'm not here to take away your excitement for the game. It looks phenomenal. My previous video has me just praising the performance of the Switch and how beautiful this game is. So it looks great. I hope you're super excited for the game, and when it comes out, I want you to enjoy it. And I'll be lurking around the internet, checking out reviews, seeing what my friends say, because I know some of my friends are getting this game on day one. I want you to enjoy this game, but it's just not for me. That's some news. I appreciate you guys. Take care.